Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers. Cheap Kalpan local and long-distance movers near me. Although shifting to your dream paradise should be a joyous moment, people hustle around to complete their move. It includes the risk of shifting, wear and tear, and loss of time, and if you're doing it all by yourself, it can injure you too. Therefore, it's considered the toughest decision to make. Plus, a long-distance shift always requires more planning and workforce, and few permits to complete your shifts. But not anymore. Our professional moving firm, 3 Movers, is a certified firm with qualified movers trained for various shifts. We assist you in shifting, packing, unpacking, loading, unloading, and resettling your belongings. Plus, as we share a good working relationship with the local federal association, we have legal permits to cross state or country lines. So, if you are moving locally, the mover needs to hire a professional mover. Although it can be a DIY shift, doing everything without prior experience can damage your belongings and even physically harm you. Therefore, it is always suggested to get help from a certified and trained mover and shift yourself the same day. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Kalpan moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.